On trial in Arizona right now, a Tucson area paramedic and the Rural Metro Fire Department being sued for gross negligence for injecting ketamine into a young man who died a short time later.
The powerful sedative has been linked to several police in custody deaths across the country. ABC15 investigator Melissa Blasius has been looking into the ketamine usage and deaths for more than a year and explains why the family in this case wants to see change. And a warning, some of the video in this story might be hard to watch.
For the family of 23-year-old David Cutler, this day in federal court is the last mile in a 5-year journey for truth and accountability.
We are doing this in honor of our son, David. We're doing it for us, and we're doing it so this does not happen to somebody else.
In June 2017, David was visiting Tucson. His Jeep hit a tree while off-roading. He was spotted midday on a hilltop.
And it's a man, and I'm not sure that he has clothes on, but he's screaming for help.
Pima County deputies arrived. One took cell phone video after David was handcuffed and his feet were restrained.
He's still delusional and combative with us.
One of the deputies called for the Rural Metro Fire Department to send paramedics, saying maybe they can give him something, according to court records. When the paramedic arrived, we're told he injected David with ketamine.
Went up without any evaluation and injected David with too much ketamine for his weight.
In court Tuesday, the family's lawyer claimed the paramedic was grossly negligent for not treating David first for heat-related illness and not bringing enough support equipment up the hill in case the sedative depressed his breathing.
And he died a horrible death. He suffered, and I just wish someone was there who would have helped him.
The Cutlers say David's case is similar to Elijah McClain's case. He died in a Denver suburb in 2019 after he too had been restrained by police, then injected with ketamine by a paramedic. The McClains received a $15 million settlement in their lawsuit. But lawyers for Rural Metro and that paramedic say that David had taken LSD earlier in the day and was exhibiting signs of excited delirium. They say that ketamine was the right and appropriate tool for the circumstance. Their defense is that David is partly responsible for his medical emergency. The autopsy found he died of hyperthermia, overheating, with LSD contributing. Rural Metro's lawyers adding this was an incredibly difficult call and the paramedic went up the hill to save David Cutler, but were confronted by a perfect storm. In Tucson, I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC15 Arizona.